Hey everybody, I'm HVAC repair guy. I've got over 17 years in the trade as a technician, installer, and contractor, plus a background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we're taking a look at two entry-level heat pumps, the Mr. Cool Signature Series R4 154B and the Fraser-Johnston, the 2. If you're a homeowner trying to figure out which one makes the most sense for your house, let's walk through them side by side. When you look at cabinet construction and build quality, there are two distinct differences between these units. The Mr. Cool Signature Series comes with a louvered coil guard and a factory-installed compressor sound blanket. That louvered cabinet gives solid physical protection against yard debris, hail, and stray rocks, while the compressor blanket helps contain mechanical sound. The Fraser-Johnston. The 2 does not have a louvered coil cabinet or a compressor blanket. That leaves its outdoor coil more exposed to physical damage unless extra guarding is present and means compressor vibration and noise aren't dampened at the unit itself. Moving on to heating performance, both of these heat pumps carry an HSPF rating of 7.5. HSPF stands for Heating Seasonal Performance Factor, which measures how efficiently a heat pump delivers heat over a typical heating season. An HSPF of 7.5 is baseline performance for standard single-stage equipment. In moderate winter climates, both units will heat your home adequately, but neither is designed as a cold climate powerhouse for extreme sub-zero conditions without auxiliary heat. Since these are heat pumps, they also handle summer cooling, operating as standard air conditioners during the warmer months to pull heat and humidity out of your home. Looking at the compressor and fan technology, both units are straightforward entry-level designs. That means both the Mr. Cool and the Fraser-Johnston run on single-stage compressors and single-speed fan motors. They operate on an all-or-nothing basis. When the thermostat calls for heat or cooling, they turn on at 100% capacity, and when the demand is met, they shut off. Noise level is where you see a noticeable real-world difference. The Mr. Cool Signature Series comes in with a sound rating around 55 decibels, which is about as quiet as a modern dishwasher running or background conversation in a home. On the other hand, the Fraser-Johnston. The 2 carries a sound rating as low as 72 decibels. A 72 decibel rating is considerably louder, roughly equivalent to a vacuum cleaner running or a busy restaurant. That difference is largely due to Mr. Cool including a compressor blanket, while the Fraser-Johnston unit leaves the compressor exposed. As for who actually manufactures these systems, Mr. Cool is an independent HVAC brand that has its Signature Series manufactured in China. Fraser-Johnston is a brand owned by Bosch Home Comfort, which acquired Johnson Controls' residential and light commercial business. Fraser-Johnston units are manufactured in the USA. When looking at online equipment pricing, Mr. Cool lists retail prices directly to the public. The Signature Series R454B outdoor condenser runs between $1,600 and $2,530 depending on tonnage, while complete system bundles with an air handler run around $2,660 to $3,700. Fraser-Johnston sells through dealer and wholesale distributor networks, so direct retail pricing isn't publicly listed online by the manufacturer. Equipment costs for a single-stage condenser, like the 2, sit in a similar $1,500 to $2,800 range through trade supply houses, though your final bill will depend on contractor pricing and labor. Taking a look at the warranties, both manufacturers offer a standard 10-year warranty on parts. However, Mr. Cool gives you a lifetime compressor warranty on this model, whereas Fraser-Johnston provides a standard 10-year compressor warranty. Neither unit includes a unit replacement warranty. If I'm standing in front of both units and giving you my honest recommendation as a contractor, the clear winner here is the Mr. Cool Signature Series R4 154B. Even though both systems offer identical single-stage heating and cooling performance with a 7.5 HSPF, Mr. Cool gives you a louvered cabinet for better coil protection, a compressor blanket that keeps the unit running dramatically quieter at 55 decibels compared to 72 decibels, transparent online pricing, and a lifetime compressor warranty. For an entry-level heat pump, those extra features make the Mr. Cool a much better value for your home.